What's up, everyone? Today we are going to visit one of the most stylish spots here in Perth City. It is the Karrinyup shopping mall. This is one of the biggest shopping malls here in Western Australia. We are now currently at the food court, and out here you can go to the balcony here. It has a nice view. Look at the view here, it's amazing. These are some of the stalls here. There is the Chinese Canton where you can get your Chinese food. Pinky Lizard in front of us on the right. That's where you get your coffee, and that's a nice cafe. In front of us is My Satelicious serving Malaysian food. Here at the atrium, let's look at this very nice decoration. We are now going down the escalator and see what's on the ground floor. This mall is quite big, and from my estimation, you can easily spend a couple of hours here. There are lots of modern and trendy shops. Sushi Hub is in front of us. Let's see, there are a lot of different delicious sushi. shopping mall 很大。This is Strand Bags, where you can get your luggage, bags, and other stuff. One of my favorite is definitely Under Armour, so we can see it on the left. While I keep on walking around, I feel like there's no ending. This how big this mall is. New Balance, There is this feeling that I am walking in an international airport. That's how this mall feels like. Does it feel like the international airport vibes? I think it feels like an international airport. There are a total of 300 shops here in this mall. Some of the jerky, these are the meat jerkies. Ah, 好像是。有吗？有看到吗？ We are now on our way to find the Pop Mart vending machine. I am a big fan of Pop Mart blind boxes. Are you? This is the Pop Mart vending machine. So many different blind boxes. After that, we are going up to the second floor and checking out what's here, what are the shops that I have not visited yet. This really does feel like you're walking at an international airport, but it is a shopping mall. I think you can easily spend a couple of hours here just walking around, checking out stuff and going from store to store, especially if you're also doing some window shopping. On the left is Uniqlo. It is one of the most famous Japanese fashion brands, and this store is quite big. If you're planning to come here, I think the best way is just get a car and drive here, or ask someone to bring you here by car. Alright, this is the map and it is 13.5 kilometers away from the city center area, so you need to get a car and drive 16 minutes here. Alright, after a couple of hours here, it's time to find parking and head back to Perth City area. The next place that I'm going to head to is the Blue House. This is where a lot of people go to take a photo in front of this Blue House. The good news is that the Blue House is just right in the city area, so it's accessible. Now I'm heading to the car park and then going to drive the car to the Blue House. Do watch the next video for the tour to the Blue House and how to get there by car and where do you need to park your car.